So guys, if anyone open for your particular WordPress, a lot of people ask one question. So how we can active for push notification for web browser purpose? Which one? Push notification. I'm setting for v6telugu.com. In this website, you can see when people will be click, would you like to show notification for the latest news and updates? So how will be this activate on the particular WordPress website? In this purpose, we have to using for two websites. One is called subscriber.com. Second one will be one signal.com. We have two websites, subscribers and one signal.com. In this one, first of all, create your account is compulsory mandatory. Create your account. Just I'm creating your account, you will be here now. So guys, after login, the showing will be like this. In this call, which your website is a WordPress, copy this URL and set this option. So what purpose you have to using for notification, and compulsory will be important for the particular notification purpose. And next will be which one for Android OS, Android or web push. You're selecting for web push. Don't selecting for more option. We are selecting for only for web push purpose. Configure your platform. After that, you are selecting for typical site, WordPress plugin or website builder and custom code. You're selecting for WordPress. Here we can selecting for WordPress option. Here we can selecting for your website will be here. Now, here you can upload by your logo option. Logo will be where is the logo? You can upload by the logo option. So upload by logo. So where exact logo will be there, we can use the logo. Logo will be used compulsory, transparent logo compulsory use. That is called PNG image we can use. Save it. Here, the logo will be done. Next, my site is not full HTTPS. Your site not will be secure. We can recommend this option, or else we can continue this here. Save. Now, is generating for one app ID, one APK key, API key option. Now, where we can go to WordPress login. So just I'm logging for WordPress here. Now after login, go to plugin option. We have to install plugin will be add new. Where is the plugin name? Search it. So website is a plugin will be available in this option. One signal. Installing. After installing, you can click for activate option. So everything will be here. The particular option. Everything will be mistake and check will be here. Install. Click for activate. So once activate, you can check this option will be here. Where is the option here? In this particular, where will install, we can go to your particular option. So tools, you can check for every option will be here. So here once. So if your doubt will be there, you can check the view details option. In this, go to one signal push option. Now here, everything we check. Configure. What asking for? App ID, APK key. App ID. APK key. Here. Send notification automated iOS and Android platforms. Here. So what options are required? You can select by every option will be here. See this. where you can show for, this is a show for bell icon, where it is, suppose I can show one example, you can know idea about it. After that I can show for our website also. This coming this website, here is the bell icon. It will show it for in this particular things here. Everything will be here. Send user welcome push notification. Everything check. So check the all options are here. So yeah, every option in this. Finally click for save your option. So config will be done. Check for refresh this option. Here will be activate for notification option. So here will be activation for the all notification will be here. So this is will be activated for in the particular website. So this will be purpose of to allow and particular browser notification purpose. This all will be showing to in a particular website. So once this will activate, it will show in your particular process. And I will show the second website that will be called subscribers.com. This also we can same setup, just set up your website and apply for your particular option will be used. So this is called to enable by push notification on the particular WordPress website purpose. So guys, you can check this notification. The people worry about that here. Without location identified, the pop-up will be not done. Here with location will be blocked here. The showing for unblock notification. Why? The pop-up will be closed. Incognito window, it will be work. They will showing for particular pop-up will be work. So compulsory location enable will be compulsory required in the particular in this. So any website will open for the particular browser, they showing for this type of notification here. Allow and block the notification option. So this is a way we have to activate WordPress notification will be. When allow, automatically what are the updates you've done in the website, they show you in the particular browser option. So this is a way to activate web browser notification on WordPress website. Don't forget the two websites. One website will be subscribers.com. Second will be onesignal.com. Which is the best one? You can use anything. The particular option will be used. So, sorry, only two websites are there, not like that. The number of websites are there, but most of the people using for this two website. Here, one more website I'll show you. You can try for that website also. This is a one more website, truepush.com. In this website, you can use for the particular notification purpose. So this is a way the website to activate WordPress browser notification purpose.